Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the morning, going to install the flywheel. This flywheel's in great shape. No grooves or nothing. You can barely feel where that clutch was riding. Of course, these flywheels have bolts in them, and the bolts need sealant. That sealant stops the oil from leaking through. The engine on the inside pumps oil through the bearing on the end of this, and behind there, where the rear main seal sits, keeps the oil on that side of the engine. But when the engine's running, the oil will come out of these bolt holes if they weren't sealed. So you got to get hydraulic sealant, put on your threads, screw those in there, torque them down so that you don't have leaks coming out of there. Volvo, I think, quit providing their stuff, so a lot of people are going back to aftermarket brands. This is the Permatex aftermarket brand, part number 54540. Also, you need to know the standard clutch is smaller than the R clutch. So if you set them up side by side, you see the R clutch behind there is higher. Let's just say you look at it side by side, there's more meat surface on the R clutch than the standard clutch. So let's say this is 30 millimeters, this is probably 40 millimeters. You got, I'd say, probably 20% more grabbing force. Because of that, you want to be extra careful that you don't have any recessed area wear in here. That old clutch has been riding on this flywheel and it's wore a groove in there sometimes. If you feel any imperfection when you run your finger across there, you want to get this surfaced. It's like getting rotors turned. Take it to an auto parts store. They will cut that thing flat, especially if you're going with a different size clutch. You will not ride in the groove that's there. You want that thing flat so that you're where you need to be. Kind of a minute difference that can make a big difference in using a new setup. Torque them down 33 foot-pounds and then 60 degrees. If you don't have a way to hold that crank, you might have to use an impact to tighten them down. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.